Felting is the art of manipulating wool fibers with a special needle to create sculptures. Realistic animal felting is popular among enthusiasts who want to create lifelike creatures. With patience and practice, felting can become a fun and rewarding hobby. High-quality wool is key to creating lifelike animal figures. You can find wool roving in many colors online or at craft stores. A felting needle is used to sculpt the wool fibers into shape. The process is time-consuming, so patience is a must-have trait for felting enthusiasts. Creating a lifelike animal figure requires several layers of wool. Start with a wire frame as the base and use felting needles to attach wool fibers to it. Add more layers of wool until you achieve the desired shape and texture. Use reference images to ensure that your animal looks natural and accurate. Felting is a skill that requires practice. Don't get discouraged if your first attempts don't turn out as expected.